Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a Saviland nail polygel tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, I got a new setup. I ordered this tripod off of Amazon and I'm using my iPhone and I'm doing these only for my nail videos. So just putting that out there. I'm still going to be using my other camera, but I'm going to be trying to film mostly of my nail videos with this overhead setup because I spent quite a few dollars on this tripod. I will be putting the tripod in the description on my Amazon storefront. I do have an Amazon storefront, so I will be adding this tripod to my storefront. So if you want to film overhead videos as well, I'll be putting that link in the description. So today I have this Saviland kit, a polygel kit. Once you open it up, it has instructions and whatnot, and it has all the polygels. Also has like a Q&A, and I hope this lighting is good. This tripod actually came with a light, so I don't know if it'll make a big difference. What comes in this kit are some nail forms. Now I don't really use nail forms like that, so I probably won't be using these, but these are pretty. They're like butterflies. So yeah, this is how they look. They're pretty big. Okay, so next that comes in here are some nail forms. Now, I don't really use nail forms like that because, I don't know, I feel like they always come out thin. So I never really use the nail forms like that. So this is how they look. Okay, so I didn't open this yet, so I was waiting until I unboxed this to open it. So what we have are these. We got 7 colors, okay? Well, I think this one is just clear. Yeah, this is just clear. I honestly saw this polygel kit on Amazon and I just ordered it. Like, I didn't really look at the description. I just saw the colors and I was like, okay, I like this, so I'm going to get this one because I like the colors. So I just ordered this because of the colors, because it was really pretty. And here goes the nail liquid for the I want to say this is the slip solution, but I do have some isopropyl alcohol on hand in case this doesn't work like I want it to. You get the base coat. You also get the top coat. You get the nail brush, Saviland. Oh, my bad, I'm sorry. With the scalp on the other side. I call it a scalpel. It's probably not what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. You get this nail file, which is 100 and 180 nail file. I will be using this one. And then you have the colors. So I'm going to be swatching these colors for you on a paper towel. And I will be right back. Okay, so the first color that we're going to be trying out is Rose Red. And these tubes are pretty small, so I don't know how I'm going to do my nails. But this is Rose Red. I don't know if you can see that color, but it's kind of like a mauve color. Magenta. Oh wow, that's pretty. The next color we have is cinnamon pink. So here goes cinnamon pink. It's like a very kind of beigeish nude. It's basically has like it looks like a yellow undertone, but it's honestly pink on not off camera. So this color is Wedding Ring. So that's wedding ring. It's like a silver, a pretty silver. It's a royal gold. This is the color that caught my eye in the picture when I was ordering it off of Amazon. And wow, that's pretty. I'm gonna try to do one finger with this one. The last color is night black. Oh wow, that's pretty. Okay, so these are all the colors. Hope you can see them well. So now I'm gonna get to prepping my nails. Okay, so voiceover Brianna is here. Okay, so now I'm just brushing off my nails, and I'm using these stiletto tips, and they're kind of flat. So yeah, I'm just applying these stiletto tips on my nails. And this is how they look, and I didn't want to cut them short because I didn't have the right tools to cut them short. But yes, I'm using the Mia Secret primer and dehydrator to prep my nails. Okay, so now I'm taking the base coat and I'm going to be putting a thin layer on my nails. Okay, so just a disclaimer, I'm not really good at using Polygel. I want to say this is like my third time using Polygel. And also, you're not going to see that many good clips because, like I said, I'm just getting used to this tripod and I was out of the frame most of the time. So yeah, I kind of noticed that when I was using the brush, that the brush was starting to spread and it was becoming thicker and thicker. So the brush quality is really not that great. If you have another brush in the place of it, I would suggest using that, because the more and more I used the product, the more it just kept spreading and the brush was like really hard to work with. So that's why it really took me a long time to do these nails. But I'm just doing a simple design. Also, I noticed that when I cured the polygel in the light, it had some kind of like white cast on the black polygel that I'm going to be using. It was like a white cast on it, and I really did not like that. So I'm going to do something to fix it in the end. But yeah, this is just the process of me applying the polygel, and I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay, so now I'm filing, and y'all, I'm not a professional, so my filing looks a little wonky. Okay, I know, but I'm going to be filing, and I did capsulate all the polygel nails in a clear polygel, and then I start the filing process. And like I said, I didn't get that many good clips because, you know, I'm getting used to this tripod, and I wasn't in frame all the time. It's going to be expected the first couple of tries, okay? But now I'm going to be putting on a top coat, and I'm going to be curing it. I'm basically going to be top coating all of my nails, and then I'm going to be designing them because, as you can see, the black polygel is not giving. It has a white cast, and I really don't like that. And also the gold glittery one also has a white cast at the end. I don't know if it's me curing it or whatnot, but I really do not like how these nails came out. So I'm taking this Beetles polygel nail, or polygel nail polish. Wait. I'm taking this Beetles gel nail polish, oh my gosh, and this blooming gel from Mia's Secret, and also this Beetles liner brush. All this stuff will be in my Amazon storefront in the description. But I'm just making this crocodile print on the nails, you know, just to cover up the imperfections of the polygel, such as the white casting. It was giving ashy, okay? So I had to cover that up. And I don't know what happened to the second crocodile nail. That junk kind of just spread it. So I just left it like that because it was like 2 o'clock in the morning, child. But yeah, I'm just going to be curing this, and I'll be back when I'm done designing my nails. Okay, so this is the final result. Of course, I'm going to be putting some Mia Secret cuticle oil around my cuticles so it can look more, you know, not dry. So yes, I really did not like how these nails came out. Like I said, I don't know if it was the Polygel that I was using or the curing process, but I really did not like how they came out. Okay, but they still look pretty good. So if you want to buy this set, I will be putting it in the description box. Maybe it was my gel lamp that I was using. I wasn't curing it long enough, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, my Amazon storefront is in the description.
It's on you, but